Right now, creators and entrepreneurs are building entire brands using AI-generated avatars, and many of them are earning real income without ever stepping in front of a camera. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your very own 3D avatar that moves, talks, and yes, can even help you build a business or start a faceless YouTube channel. Now type in what you want to create. Be descriptive, be specific. Imagine you're dressing your dream digital self, don't hold back. Once your prompt is set, click on the plus button to add your picture. You can use a picture of yourself or somebody else if you like. It's your canvas, darling. Then click on the arrow right here. Ooh, look at her. Just look at her. She's giving face, she's giving glow, she's giving soft luxury. But hold on, we're not done yet. Now we head back to the search bar. I want to change her background and outfit because why not? She deserves more. Yes! This is what I'm talking about. She's looking polished, she's looking rich, she's looking like she just stepped out of a Vogue editorial. Everything we typed in is right there, and she's giving effortlessly. But wait, we're switching up her outfit again, cause this next one, I found it on Pinterest and is giving exactly what it needs to give. Real quick, if you're enjoying this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you know, and I promise, I'm always bringing you the prettiest tech tricks and content magic. Click on the plus button, upload your Pinterest inspo photo, and let CapCut do its magic. But be sure to tell ChatGPT, yes, ChatGPT in this case, to keep her original features. We're not changing the face, honey, just the feet. Can we just take a moment? Like, come on, the accuracy, the elegance, the transition, she's still her, just in a whole new vibe. Now you know I couldn't stop there. This time I want her hair too. Pinterest girly had the cutest curls and I need that on my avatar as soon as possible. I love it. I love it. She's elevated, she's classy, she's her higher self. And so are you, by the way. Now let's make this beauty ready for YouTube, thumbnails, or whatever else you need. Head over to Canva. Click the plus button, then custom size, and type in 16 by 9 inches. That's the standard YouTube size. Upload your new photo, adjust it to fit the frame, then double tap on the image and click expand. Then choose full image. Canva is going to give you a few background options. Pick whichever one screams you. This one right here, this is the one I want. And when you're feeling confident, like, yes, this is her, this is me, this is my vision, you hit download and boom, masterpiece complete. For the next step, let's go to Kling AI. So Kling AI is this amazing platform that takes your static photos and animates them, like literally turns them into mini video clips where your characters can talk, walk, gesture, do expressions, all the magic with just one click. Now I'm going to upload one of the avatars we made earlier in ChatGPT. Pick whichever one you want to bring to life. Once your image is in, you scroll down to the prompt section and type this. She stands up and starts talking and making hand and head gestures while walking around the room. Camera tracker. Make sure you add camera tracker. It gives the video that smooth cinematic feel that just makes it pop. Next, we click on this little arrow right here and select how long we want our video to be. I'm using the free version, so the max I can go is 10 seconds. And honestly, that's enough time for your girl to make an entrance. Now this part is important. We're going to scroll down to the negative prompt section. This is where you tell Kling AI what you don't want. So I'm typing blurry, disfiguring, distortion. We want her clean, elegant, and flawless just like you. Okay, we're done. Click that beautiful generate button and let the magic happen. Stop. Just stop. Are you seeing this? The accuracy, the gestures, the way she's walking like she owns the room, and the quality. She's smooth, she's expressive, and she's not playing with y'all. This is luxury content, okay? Now listen, if for any reason you're not fully feeling the Kling AI video, or maybe it didn't give exactly what you had in mind? Don't worry. Let me introduce you to another amazing tool called Hailuo.AI. Hailuo.AI is a gorgeous alternative for turning your static image into a mini video, super realistic movement, beautiful facial expressions, and it's just as easy to use. Alright, so once you land on Hailuo's platform, click on the plus button right here. Very simple. Then go ahead and upload the same photo or any other AI generated picture you want to bring to life. We're giving her another chance to serve. Now just type in exactly what you want her to do. I've dropped the exact prompt I used right down in the description, so feel free to use it or remix it to your taste. Once your prompt is in, click generate. Okay, yes, ma'am. I love this. Look at her. The gestures are on point, the animation is smooth, and the way she's moving. So realistic. Now we're going to hit that cute little download button right here and save our masterpiece. And there it is, clean, clear, expressive, and ready to use in your content. I mean, what more could you ask for? Okay, now that we've got our animated video looking, let's take it a step further and give her a voice. Yes, I'm talking real voice, with tone, with personality, and best of all, it can be your own voice. Let me introduce you to Minimax AI Audio. It's this super sleek tool that lets you generate audio using either pre-made voices or your very own cloned voice. Yup, you heard me right. You can literally create an AI version of your voice. So, first things first, sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Quick and easy. Once you're in, click on the three lines right here. Then go ahead and click on Voices. Next, click on Clone Voice. You can either upload a voice file or you can record your voice right there. You need at least 10 seconds up to 60 seconds, so just say something natural and clear. Now we head back to the menu and click on Text to Speech. This is where we're going to bring the script to life. Type in what you want your character to say. You can make it fun, dramatic, soft, whatever matches your video's vibe. Once you're happy with the text, click Generate and let Minimax do its thing. When it's done, just click the arrow right here to download the audio. Let me introduce you to Dreamface. This is where the real magic happens. Dreamface is an app that lets you add lip sync animation to your avatars, so it looks like they're actually speaking. I'm talking mouth movement, expressions, the full vibe. So go ahead and open the app and click on Video Lip Sync right here. Next, we're going to click on Avatar and upload the animated video we made earlier, whether that's from Kling Ai or Hailuo.AI, whatever you use, this is where we plug it in. Click Add, and now it's time for the voice. Click on Add Script, and you'll see three options. You can type it, import it, or even record something fresh. Me? I'm feeling luxe and prepared, so I'm going to click Import. Then, choose the AI voice you created earlier with Minimax Yes, that beautiful custom-made voice that sounds just like you. We're using that to sync with the video. Once you've paired your voice with the video, all that's left is to click Animate and let Dreamface do its thing. Just like that, you have a stunning animated avatar who speaks clearly and naturally, all without recording a single frame yourself. If this helps spark your imagination, give this video a thumbs up. Comment avatar ready if you'd like me to show you how to build a full faceless brand using these tools. And of course, subscribe for more powerful ways to build with AI. I'll see you in the next video.